All right. Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here and I welcome you all to yet another Thursday live. Okay. See, all right. I'm just figuring out one or two things. Okay, I think we are set. First class. Chalo. So today we have two discussions on the cards. मराठी लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम अटेंड करून आता इंग्लिश मध्ये पण दिनेश दोन्हीकडे आलेले आहेत. बरं दिनेश बढिया वेलकम. Okay. Jacob says last Thursday as per gold and silver chart and silver made new high 115. Now it's consolidating. What's your view? 110 is strong zone. Okay, we can definitely take the silver and especially the silver chart is what you're mentioning, right? And silver made. Okay, we will talk about silver high in that case. Let me share my screen right away. Second silver. Okay, so I'm just going to share this. Okay. Let me take you to the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart. Of course, you talked about last Thursday, right? This was very close to the breakout, and this is the current candle. For a weekly chart, I would love if it closes in green here, because I always say that breakout candle is important, and equally important is the next candle, which we call it as a confirmation candle, right? If I want to talk about a monthly chart, of course, the downward moving trend has been broken. Downward moving trend line has been broken. You can see here a high, a low, lower high, a higher low, and finally the high has been broken out. So typically this is the first barrier that could be faced, but anyways that has been taken out. This is the next barrier, has been taken out. Will be very important to see if it can sustain above this. If it does, we'll have to check out for the confirmation candle as well, for a double confirmation. Okay, so definitely silver looks very, very interesting, very positive. No second thoughts on that. If it clears this, if it stays here, ideally this is where it could try to go to, and second step 80H. Okay, that's the silver chart for you. But if I were to tell you about, so today we have two things on the cards. One is about overall economy related positioning, and second thing that we are going to check is about technical analysis, which we did last Thursday as well, and everyone loved it. Everyone said yes, we also want to continue that exercise, so we are going to talk about it. So we'll discuss that. But today I can see a lot of people are asking questions as well. So many new members have also joined in. So quickly, let me welcome everyone. Kuli Gemma Bedhar Kundi, welcome to memberships. Lishar Jain, okay. New names for me today as well. Prerna, welcome to memberships. Padmini, then Pooja, Anjala, and Sheikh Saijad. Okay, fantastic. Welcome to memberships. Today also a lot of members, new members joining in. So everyone, a warm welcome to our YouTube memberships. No, because it's about securities, it's about stocks, it's not about commodities. So thankfully, commodities are not in the purview. Second, indices are also not under the purview. So thankfully, I can show Nifty chart. All right. Which trade deal do you want an update on? Could you please mention the name of the company as well? Ma'am, HCL ka chart, I can't comment on that. Breakout in Hero Moto Corp is what Nanu says. Let me check Hero Moto Corp. I hope everyone has got two devices today like last time. Then only we'll be able to play the technical analysis game. Breakout in Hero Moto Corp. Let me ask this question to everyone. I will ask the question like this. Is there a convincing breakout in Hero Moto? I'm just okay, start poll. Is there a convincing breakout in Hero Moto Corp? Take your time, don't be in a hurry to answer. Take your time. We want maximum people to give correct answers. Okay, don't be in a hurry. I'm waiting for like next 30 seconds. Check. Be careful. Hundred and 26 people have voted. I'll wait for at least 150. Oh God. I mean, this is the craziest answer that I've gotten till date. Is there a convincing breakout? No is the majority. No is the majority. I have not mentioned only breakout. I've mentioned, is it a convincing breakout? Convincing breakout will be a breakout which is done with good volumes as well. Number one. Number two, it's not only the volumes, but we would also check what's up with the confirmation candle. Breakout candle is one important point, but there has to be a follow-up confirmation also. So जनता के साथ जाएंगे तो it's almost a 50-50, but 1% people are like, we are not really sure. So happy that by 1% at least, but majority are saying there's no convincing breakout per se. Okay, fantastic. Nano is saying tie. Oh, I know. It's almost a 50-50. Crazy. By the way, Raviji was asking what is this crown next to the name. Any people who are participating actively in the live streams, I'm just showing this to you. If you can see here, Aniruddha is Achan. Nanu is the top first fan. Shimanshu is the top second fan. Aniruddha is the top third. So I don't do anything. YouTube checks this and they mention who are the top fans. So if you participate more in the questions that I'm asking, that's how YouTube automatically ranks your presence. I don't do anything. If you are sending some super sticker or if you are gifting memberships, in that case, I think YouTube takes your rank further up. That's what I understand. Okay. All right. Perfect. Now today, so okay, let me just check. Vijay says there is a breakout, but not convincingly. Okay. It's below high of 27. Also getting into DVAS box. Really? No ways. Hero Moto Corp is nowhere close to a DVAS box. Reason is very simple. We say that DVAS box will be when it's at a high. It's at an all-time high. It may be a consolidation. So Raju, I'll tell you a small difference. It could be in a box. The box can break out. That is correct. But DVAS box specifically would be where the stock is at an all-time high and then it is consolidating and then it's a breakout. Okay, there's a small difference. So I hope your point is absolutely clear. Anyone who is Aman says, I'm on the 4th. I watched all your videos. Very nice, Aman. Anyone who has not yet checked my courses, please do check it. 2 courses which will help you participate in these questions that I have introduced in our Thursday live streams. One is technical analysis course and one is price action analysis course. Many people ask me which should we take up first. Definitely technical analysis first because that's an intermediate level course. Advanced level courses, price action analysis, but both are very important courses, will help you a lot in timing when to buy, when to sell will be very easy once you're done with technical analysis and price action analysis course. Najib says, I'm a newcomer and subscribe. Nice. I'm sure you will get to learn a lot from me and others who are participating in our live streams as well. Okay, Ashwin says evening star pattern in Airtel weekly chart. Let us check. Everyone is going to check, not me. Everyone is going to check. Bharti Airtel weekly chart. Is it showing an evening star pattern? Yes or no? Bharti Airtel evening star pattern weekly chart. Yes or no? I'm waiting. क्या बात? Devdeep says yes. Vijay says yes. There is an evening star pattern is what Devdeep also says. Vijay also says. Fair enough. Everyone, please check it. Whatever is the answer, yes or no, it's a textbook pattern. Only thing is that the current candle which is being formed is in green. Current candle is in green. So even if there is an evening star, next candle that we are checking right now, the current forming candle is in green. So there could possibly be a pullback. Okay, need to check that. Okay. Fair enough. Now let us understand. Now let me tell you 2-3 stock names which I had got for you. Today we are going to talk about a quick concept which is IPO based breakout. So everyone please focus on what is this concept on IPO based breakout. First, let me show you an example. The example is of a company called as Tollins Tires. I'll just quickly share my screen. Just ensure that last few months are not on the screen. Fantastic. Okay. I'm going to be a little bit quick while telling you what is an IPO based breakout. So I want 100% attention for the next 2 to 3 minutes. No one is going to talk in the chat section. Okay. Okay. What is an IPO based breakout? Number one, you have to check the day of listing. Okay. Check where is the closing. After the closing, you can see that the stock has gone down. It has done a very nice base formation and it has broken out from this level. Level is of day one close. Okay. In such cases, 2-3 important points to be checked. Is the breakout candle convincing enough? That needs to be checked. Number one. Number two, we check the volumes on breakout. These volumes have to be good volumes, above average volume, at least above 30 days average volume. Okay. Higher the better. No second thoughts on that. Third thing, very, very, very important. What about the confirmation candle? See here, the confirmation candle is a doji. So maza nahi. Then it can lead to a crackdown. So then we would call this not a breakout, that's a fake out. Okay, so failed breakout is a fake out. So we definitely check what happens next, and after that, if you can see, the stock has gone down. Okay, so I hope what is an IPO based breakout is clear. We check from the day close, day one ka close, we check whether there's a nice base formation or not. Number two, we check how is the breakout candle. Is it convincing enough? Is it a good bodied candle? Are there good volumes? Is the confirmation candle also showing strength? If all these conditions are met, then yes, we say it's an IPO based breakout. If it's an IPO based breakout, then what? Then we can find out the target of the stock. What is the target? We check the height, and this height gets replicated. This height gets replicated here. So if I want to just shift it here, the target of this stock would have been 314 had there been a nice breakout, but the breakout has failed. You can see that on screen also. Okay, there was a breakout, there was no confirmation candle, the breakout failed, but had there been nice breakout, nice confirmation, this is how you could have calculated the target. Okay, so I hope these points are clear. How do you check the target as well? Now what we are going to do, I'm going to give you 2-3 stock names and you have to tell me whether there is an IPO based breakout or not. Are you ready? I hope everyone has got at least only one extra device, so that will be easier for you. If not, I'll wait for like next 30 seconds so that anyone who has only one device can get one or two more. Kya baat hai? Akansh Jaiswal has gifted 5 memberships. Superb. Akansh, amazing. Thank you so much for gifting knowledge. I'm sure you, let me check. Fantastic. Kya baat hai? Very nice. I can see here. Fantastic. Five memberships gifted by Akansh. So thank you so much for that. For others, I can a few more members have also joined. Let me quickly welcome them till then. Geet, welcome to memberships. Welcome to memberships. Okay. Oh, Akansh has also asked a question. Member for 52 months? Kya baat hai, Akansh? You have been a community. I mean, I remember reading your name, but 52 months. Wow, that's a big time. Fantastic. View on Policy Bazaar. We'll take that as an additional question. Okay. Srinivas, welcome to memberships. Rajiv, welcome to memberships. Mohit, welcome to memberships. And Ranganath is a member for 25 months. Kya baat? Chalo, let's take one more question. I hope everyone is ready. The name of the stock is the Leela Hotel. Name of the stock is the Leela Hotel. You can search it directly like the Leela Hotel or Schloss Bangalore. I'm just going to type it out. The Leela Hotel or Schloss Bangalore. And I want a proper answer for that. The question here is that, is there a convincing breakout? Yes or no? You have to tell me whether there is a convincing breakout. Now, what do I mean by a convincing? Let me just type it out. Convincing breakout? Question mark. Yes, no. Arey yaar, why is it starting a poll? 1 minute. अच्छा, पोल भी चलेगा क्या? Yes, no. Wait. Correct. Yes, finally. There was some glitch, I guess. The Leela Hotel, convincing breakout, yes or no? Convincing means what? There should be a breakout. There should be a breakout candle, number 1. Number 2, should there be a follow-up candle? Yes, the follow-up candle also has to be a convincing candle. The volumes have to be good. It has to satisfy all conditions. Then only I'll say it's a convincing breakout. So everyone has to go to the daily chart. Okay, go to the daily chart, check the breakout candle, check if the volumes were good or not, and check if the confirmation candle is also in good green or not. If all 3 conditions are met, then I will say yes, it's a convincing breakout. I'm repeating. 3 conditions that we are checking. There should be a breakout, number 1. Number 2, it should be breakout with good volumes. And number 3, the confirmation candle means the immediate next candle should also be a good green candle. Is it a convincing breakout? Yes or no? I've got 162 votes till now. I'll wait till 200 votes. $187 votes. Is it a convincing breakout? Yes or no? It's 200 plus votes. Oh wow. Today everyone is on top gear, huh? But still 1046 viewers as usual. Our strike rate is very constant. 1046 viewers, 300 likes. And poll mein to 58% is to 57 is to 42. Is it a convincing breakout? Majority of the people say no, it's not a convincing breakout. It could be a breakout, but it's not a convincing breakout. Okay. I have said this last time also. I'm very happy that a lot of you have learned a lot. It's not only about just watching random videos. I'm really happy that you are you're trying to use this knowledge for your own investing as well. So I told you what do we mean by a convincing breakout. I'm happy with the answers. Is it on TradingView? Yes, of course. Kya baat hai? Vijay has also given his thought process. Vijay is very clear on this. Confirmation candle is a doji. Whenever we have doji as a confirmation candle, it shows no confirmation. Confirmation candle has to be a strong candle. Doji is indecisive candle. So, kya maza? There's no fun in that. Okay. So good Vijay. You're sharing your views as well. So I hope first point is clear. Shall we move on with the next one? Other IPO breakout stocks. Hariti Singh understood. First one is clear. I want second one now. Okay, let's go on with the second one. We will talk about the second one. I'm just going to paste the name. Okay. Let me see how many of you give a correct answer for this. Same one. You have to tell me whether it's a convincing breakout or not. Okay. I'm typing out the name and I'm writing out convincing breakout ? Indo-Gulf Crop Science is the name. Maybe it is going beyond limit. I'm just writing CB ? Something is wrong with YouTube today. 1 minute. Indo-Gulf Crop Science. I started the poll. CB stands for convincing breakout ? Indo-Gulf Crop Sciences. Convincing breakout, yes or no? What do we mean by convincing breakout? I've told you 3 points. There should be a breakout candle, number 1. Number 2, the breakout has to be with good volumes. And number 3, it has to be accompanied by a nice confirmation candle also. Okay. Indo-Gulf Crop Science. You have to tell me whether the breakout is a convincing breakout or not. I'm so happy people are actually writing the answers. Kya baat hai? Inverted needle, no volume. But ma'am, Leela, weekly is not yet over, Sanket. And right now we are on the next chart. Breakout is good, gap up, but the latest candle is inverted hammer. Inverted hammer comes when it's at the downmost point of a bottom trend. If it is up, then we call it as a shooting star. So the structure is same. Only thing, where does it appear changes the name. Your thought process is correct. It's a shooting star. Chandrasekhar is saying not convinced. Jay. Jay is saying happy with answers is smart. Okay. Kya baat hai? Pushkar is saying it is literally Har Ghar Investor now. Absolutely. Unable to join all live sessions, but reminds me of revision session before school exams. Kya baat? As a teacher, even I miss all these things, but I'm so lucky that I can still enjoy that in the setup of a YouTube live stream. Fantastic. Volume not good enough. Okay. Okay. Now let us check what is the. Or kya baat hai? Right now everyone is charged up. Huh? 362 answers. Oh my God. Let us check. 366 answers. 62% of the people say breakout, but not a convincing breakout. Kya baat hai? Pushkar has said it very nicely. It is truly Har Ghar Investor. I'm loving it. Thank you, Sebi, for not allowing me to showcase the stock charts, because now it's not me who is answering, it's everyone who is answering. And this is actually a classic example of true empowerment. Everyone is answering. No need for me to actually show the chart. Everyone knows how to check it. Just wanted to show this very cute little sticker. Good job. Thank you, Hemanji. Thank you for the cute super sticker. All right, क्या बात है. Let's move on. One more or fair enough? I think IPO based breakout concept is clear. If you want, I can give you one last example if you want. Let us check for this. One last. Okay. Before that, राजीव सिंह मैम हिंदी में लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल नहीं है क्या? राजीव बिल्कुल हिंदी में लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल है. और जान के आपको बहुत आश्चर्य होगा कि मेरी हिंदी इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है, क्योंकि जनरली कई बार ऐसे होता है कि जो पुणे मुंबई के लोग होते हैं. अच्छा, अदर्स जस्ट एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1.5 minute. I'm just going to converse in Hindi. If you understand Hindi, well and good. If you don't understand Hindi, just next 1 minute, please excuse me. राजीव जी बड़ी मेहनत से हिंदी इस लेवल तक डेवलप की है. पुणे मुंबई में हिंदी थोड़ी सी वीक होती है. जितनी नॉर्थ में मीठी हिंदी बोली जाती है उसके आसपास भी नहीं होते हम. और अगर मराठी हिंदी है तो वो एक अलग लेवल की हिंदी होती है. वो हमारे यहाँ पे ना ऐसा होता है कि वो भागते भागते गया था, वो धक्कन गिरा, उसके कान से बड़ा रक्त आने लगा. इसमें इतने ज्यादा मराठी वर्ड्स आ जाते हैं कि एक्चुअली हिंदी बोल रहे कि मराठी बोल रहे हैं वो समझ में भी नहीं आता है. इट्स बड़ी बोरिंग किस्म की हिंदी होती है. बट मैं काफी लकी हूँ. हमारे 2-3 प्रोफेसर्स बहुत अच्छे थे कि जिन्होंने सिर्फ सीए ही नहीं पढ़ाया लेकिन हिंदी भी साथ साथ हमको पढ़ा दिया. तो उन सब के कारण बहुत अच्छी अबव एवरेज डेफिनेटली हिंदी बोल लेती हूँ. तो अगर आप हमारे वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे rachanaranade.com तो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे नया सपना नई शुरुआत, अब आपकी भाषा में निवेश की बात, मेरा पहला हिंदी कोर्स बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट आसान हिंदी में. अगर आप देखोगे तो हमने क्या किया, ये हमारी वेबसाइट है. वेबसाइट में अगर आप देखोगे हिंदी कोर्सेज का अलग, जैसे शेयर मार्केट मराठी का टैब है, वैसे हिंदी कोर्सेज का भी एक टैब है. आप बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट हिंदी में सीख सकते हो. लेटेस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग है. ये अंग्रेजी के कोर्स से थोड़ा हमने प्राइस कम रखा है इसका, क्योंकि मेरा पहला हिंदी कोर्स है, इसीलिए थोड़ा सा प्राइस थोड़ा कम कर दिया. और स्टूडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है. लेटेस्ट कुछ चीजें उसमें बताई गई है. सो एनीवेज, जिनको भी बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट सीखना है, हिंदी समझते हैं, इट्स अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. बिकॉज जो अंग्रेजी का कोर्स है उसको शूट किए हुए रफली मेरे हिसाब से 1.5-2 साल तो हो गया है. तो ये इसमें थोड़े नए एग्जाम्पल्स भी है. सो राजीव, आप डेफिनेटली मेरे हिंदी कोर्सेज चेकआउट कर सकते हो. पूजा, इफ यू कैन जस्ट पेस्ट द लिंक ऑफ आवर हिंदी कोर्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हियर. तो हिंदी में भी आप कोर्स सीख सकते हो. मैम गुजरात में आ जाओ, गुजराती सिखा देंगे. मने गुजराती आवे विल बी लाइक मने मारवाड़ी आवे. I understand Gujarati and Marwadi quite a bit. Of course, if you talk to me in the purest form, I'll not be able to do that. But I have a lot of Gujarati and Marwadi friends. Yeah, I understand it. At least 40-50% I can understand. Okay. English, of course. Sanjay, we do have English courses. A bunch of English courses. Acha, Hemanji is saying, Mane Gujarati avde che. Avde che is I like it or I can speak Gujarati. Ave che. Mane Gujarati ave che. Mane Gujarati samjata avde che. Okay, I think we should have a deal that I teach you stocks, you teach me languages. Ooh. Oh my God, this is Haryana में आजा छोरी असं कसं किया नाही रे, असं कसं काय. All right, wow, I just spoke a bunch of languages. Avde means I know, because in Marathi avde is I like that. मला एखादी भाषा आवडते. So that's like I like that language. Okay, so is no. Okay, મને ગુજરાતી આવડે છે. Fantastic. Asa kasa kai. How to make valuation of companies? There might be one or two videos on valuation, but not very deep videos on valuation. There's a separate course that I have though, which is called as the Art of Value Investing. You can definitely check that out as well. Pooja, I hope you are pasting the relevant links, links of our Hindi course, link of um, technical analysis, price action analysis, art of value investing. Yeah. Okay, 20 microns, Hemanji. I might have missed that 1 minute. But before that, there is just one last point, one last chart which I wanted to ask, which is about again an IPO based breakout example. One absolute last question, quick question. I'm just going to pull this up in our chat section, start a poll. Okay, I've just written the name of the company, Aegis Vopak. You can see that, Aegis Vopak, and you have to tell me whether there is a convincing breakout or not. Convincing breakout or not, you have to tell me. Okay, Aegis Vopak. I'm also going to quickly check it side by side. You have to check the breakout candle, also check out the confirmation candle, check out the volumes. Volume should be just above average. It should be above the 30-day average. That should be good enough. Convincing breakout, yes or no? Daily time frame, yes, of course, daily time frame. क्या बात है? Shubha says, I'm making profits already from your fundamental analysis lectures. Highly knowledgeable. Thank you so much. Always feels good when people learn and earn by themselves. Very nice, Shubha. Sanjay saying, damn, yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, let us check how many people have given the answer. Almost 250 people have given the answer. Very nice. All right. That's what I was going to come to, but I'm so happy I got the answer right away. Okay. First things first. Ages 85% of the people, 85% people have said yes, it is an IPO based breakout. Absolutely yes. Okay. 85% people are saying this. But the big question is that has it reached its target? And Avinash says breakout and reach the target. Target met is what Avinash says. If you remember, I've also taught you how to check the target. Whatever is the height of the base formation, replicate that height at breakout. Avinash says that yes, it's a breakout, but target has already been reached. Okay. Rajalingam has, actually, he had answered before only. He was the first one to answer, Rajalingam. Very nice. He says breakout, broke out, and target reached to. Kya baat? Badhiya. All right, all right. So I hope everyone enjoyed today's discussion on IPO based breakouts. Was a new discussion for our Thursday live stream scenario. Of course, what we can do is now, whatever questions you are asking, I can just take random 4-5 stocks so that you can get answers from everyone, whether you see a breakout or not. Pushkar says something new as always. Absolutely, I try my level best for that. And I can definitely say that everyone who attends our live stream is very, very knowledgeable. Whatever is Janta ka verdict, whatever is the maximum, I mean, the poll actually tells us a lot, whether, you know, I have to stop myself sometimes. I can't give a yes or no. But anyways, I can just say that our community is so knowledgeable that majority, you can definitely think about a case where majority could be right. Okay. So with that, Hemanji has a question on 20 microns. Is there a breakout? And if there is a breakout, even though there is a breakout, please check for confirmation candle. Hemanji, please check for confirmation candle as well. Okay. Okay. Rupa says, ma'am, you gave your analysis on TN Petro. Now it is going up continuously. Should I wait or book profit? Okay. On TN Petro. Okay, let me just check quickly. TN. Whenever I am checking anything, you also have to check simultaneously. TN Petro. Tamil Nadu Petro. Okay. Oh, it's going up continuously. Okay. Weekly chart alt. TN Petro. Let me just check one more time. I think I can see something interesting, so I'm just give me a second. Okay. So let me ask a question. Everyone check TN Petro chart. Everyone has to check TN Petro chart and tell me what is the previous swing high. See, what am I trying to tell you? Okay, let me just, I can hide something. Now, oh, I'm in the weekly chart. It will be easy for me to show it. I'll cut at April, April, May, June. Easy. Okay. I will only give the answer. Wait. So we are talking about TN Petro. I'm on a weekly chart. Okay. You can see here it was in a downtrend. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Something has happened after that, but you'll not be able to see it because I've cut the chart here. Okay. Typically, what do you do is draw a downward sloping line which joins all the highs. Okay. What do you have to check? Whether has it closed above this or is it still going down and down and down? Is what you have to check. Okay. Whenever you see that it has closed above this downward sloping trend line, you can say, okay, there is a trend reversal. Why? Because this downward sloping trend line has been broken. If it has closed above this, then if it is very near to that, definitely worth adding to your watch list. Okay. Typically, in such cases, you have to mark the previous swing high. Okay, mark previous swing high. See what happens near that. Once that is broken, I mean, this is a very close zone here of previous swing highs, and then typically this. So this is how we check what could be the next targets. So what is to be done? See whether this downward sloping trend line, which is telling us a downward trend in the stock, whether that is negated. If that is negated, then check whether the immediate previous swing high is taken out or not. If that is also taken out, this is a very minor one, so I'm not really giving a lot of importance to that. If that is taken out, then check immediate previous swing high. So if the first few conditions are met, this could be a possible upturn. Okay. Oh, stop. Okay. So I hope how to check the downward sloping trend line and all this. I hope everything is clear. Jinesh is saying 109 is a resistance. Good, Jinesh. Ma'am, speak few words of Kannada as well. Hege iddira. I just remembered, I just by hearted this when I was going to have my Bangalore event. It just popped out in my mind. I don't know how. Is it correct? Bangalore, hege iddira. I had by hearted that. Please tell me if it's correct or not. Mohan? Okay. Okay, Policy Bazaar, we have to check. Girish, is my Kannada correct or other people's answers are correct? Okay, let's check for Policy Bazaar as well. Okay, everyone open the chart of Policy Bazaar. TB Fintech. There's nothing interesting in the chart. Just like, I mean, nowhere even close to a breakout. Nothing interesting. Yes. Okay, Indira means how are you? It's correct. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's what I said, Mohan. Hey, Indira. Thank you. Sideways. Fantastic. Okay. Okay. Rajlingam is saying PB is trying to make inverse head and shoulder on weekly chart. Okay. Bajaj Housing Finance. Okay, wait. Let me check. Aniruddha is saying, let's start one more live stream for language learning. Okay. Any other quick question? Any other stock? Oh, 20 microns. No, we did talk about 20 microns. Bharti Airtel, please. Bharti Airtel, someone was talking about Evening Star. I think we did talk about Evening Star, Bharti Airtel. When is NSE IPO coming? No idea. Bajaj Housing Bajaj Housing Finance is sideways. I'm so happy. People are answering now. Very nice. Let me also check one more time. Bajaj Housing Finance. Sideways, absolute sideways. Prestige breakout and forming double bottom in upper trend line. Ma'am, waiting for confirmation candle, ma'am. Okay. Prestige. Double bottom. Are you talking about Prestige Estate? Oh. Interesting. Everyone can check out. Starting 9th of June, check out the chart. Everyone can check that. Prestige Estate. Just give me in the comment section. Starting 9th June, 9 June till today, check the chart and see whether you can see a double bottom. Who was that? Ranga. Do you see a double bottom? Check and give me a yes or no answer. Whatever is the case. Okay. Prasanna says yes. Ruchika says yes. Textbook pattern. Ma'am, why is volume so less? Because of Jane Street. Yes. After Jane Street has gone, the volumes have dried up like anything. It's pretty boring. Market is in absolute sideways trend. I'm not justifying Jane Street at all. Please don't take me wrong. But volumes have dried up like anything. No second thoughts on that. Anyone who has not checked out my Jane Street video, please check it out. It's I should not say this for myself, but I loved the video. I think I've discussed it in absolute detail as to how did they actually do this. It's a very nice explanation. Please check it also. Okay. Completed with technical analysis course. Are there any ongoing offers for your other courses? Also, which courses would you recommend for developing short-term investing skills? For short-term, I mean, I focus more on long-term, but if you have completed technical analysis, definitely would recommend my price action analysis course and CARRYT. That is the discount code that you can use. Again, just a reminder for any of the viewers who has already enrolled for any of my courses, definitely check. You may have received the notification in the app. We do have our Zoom meeting day after tomorrow. Okay, day after tomorrow we'll have the Zoom meeting for all the English classes. Anyone who has enrolled for either of the courses, right from basics of stock market to mutual funds to whatever technical analysis, fundamental analysis, value investing, futures and options, price, whatever. All courses different. Of course, we have two different live streams for that. But course, the Zoom meeting will be held this Saturday. You will definitely receive a notification in the app. So anyone who has not yet enrolled for the courses is waiting for some muhurat. This can be the muhurat. You will be eligible to attend a Zoom meeting right the day after tomorrow. Okay. For the Jane Street video, Samir says, yes, watch twice to understand FNO versus cash impact. But I hope you understood it. Absolutely. I've mentioned that you need huge funds to manipulate it. So true. Prasanna says, Prasanna has answered a lot today. So I'm going to take up Prasanna's question. Ma'am, Dixon in weekly chart formed double bottom with good volumes. Everyone check Dixon, weekly chart. Dixon Technologies, weekly chart. I have to show May, June, July. Everyone try to do this. 18th December 2024. 18th December 2024 ka high. Okay, join this. 18th December 2024 high. Then 20th May 2025 ka high. 18th December 2024 high. 20th May 2025 high. And draw this line. It will be like a slanting downward horizontal line. And see if Dixon is facing a resistance there or not. I'm waiting. Dixon is in a downtrend. I mean, doesn't need any brain for that. You can see it. Dixon is in a downtrend. Just check whether it is at the line. I told you two specific dates right now. One is 18th December 2024 and 20th May 2025. Is it closer to the resistance level? Check it. Any answer? Is it closer to the resistance level? Yes, it is in downtrend, agreed, but is it closer to the resistance level right now? Kirish says yes. Okay. Vinod also says yes. Okay, fantastic. All right, fantastic. We did take a lot of questions. It's already time, but also wanted to have a quick discussion. I know last few minutes, but a quick discussion also on the repo on the inflation numbers right now. Inflation has fallen sharply. The June inflation numbers which came up, they dropped to just 2.1%. It was significantly below RBI's projection, which was at 3.7% for the full year. If we see such nice inflation coming under control, 2.1% is nothing. The economists are expecting that if this continues, there's a great chance that inflation could also dip below 2% in the month of July, right? So will be very interesting to watch that. There's a very nice terminology for that. It's called as the Goldilocks combination, in which we are right now. What is a Goldilocks combination? It means that currently we have easing inflation along with moderate growth. That is the best combination that any country can have. Inflation is absolutely under the control, and if we can see this, that when inflation is under control, the RBI governor, RBI governor will have a very easy. I mean, can be a pretty easy thing to gauge whether he has an option to cut down on the overall rates in the coming meeting, basically the repo rate. So if he can cut the repo rate, it is expected that there is another chance that he may cut the repo rate by 25 basis points, or some are saying even 50 basis points. But if overall interest rates are cut, that will be a good one, a very good booster for the overall economy. So very happy to see the inflation numbers coming to something 2 point something. So if this continues, there's a great chance of a further rate cut. And if that be so, we'll be very happy. Right. That was a quick discussion on the rate cuts. We'll show you some. Who was asking? Rajlingam says Nifty levels, please. And you have also given a lot of answers today. So I'll quickly share the Nifty. Nothing very interesting, to be honest. It's stuck in a range. This was the range that we were talking about. It did break out of this range, but again came back. So if you see right now, I've also put an alarm. Till then the market is sleeping. So it can. I mean, it's at a big resistance, 25,300, 25,400. Unless and until it goes beyond that, it's nothing really interesting. It's just doing time pass. So even if you check the option chain, huge call writing at 25,300, 400, all these levels, huge call writing. So let's see what is the next big trigger. Otherwise, market is just doing time pass in a range bound fashion, right? All right, I can see this. Anupam is asking a lot of times. Final one, Mahindra and Mahindra. Let's quickly check that. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is asking whether it's a breakout or not. Let me just quickly check. Oh, interesting. At a very interesting level, I can say that. Very close to a breakout. Will not give my final verdict, but it is worth adding to your watch list. Okay. That's what I can say. All right. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining in. I hope you are enjoying these technical analysis inputs as well. And if you have any other suggestion for the live stream, please let me know. I'll just wait for another minute. Just let me know if you're liking these inputs on technical analysis, where I come up with some stock names. You check it out on the other device. You give your answers. As a new members, Priya is saying new members. Okay, Priya. Preeti Beth. Welcome to memberships if you are a new member. 1 minute, let me check. Oh yes, you are a new member. Welcome to memberships, Preeti. Surinder, welcome to memberships. Sachin, welcome to memberships. Dapper, welcome to memberships. And Ria, welcome to memberships. Wow, a lot of new members joining today. Manish, welcome to memberships. I think I had a welcome gift. 23 new people joining almost. Wow. क्या बात है, मजा आ गया. मजा आ गई. મને પણ મજા આવી ગઈ. I think not bad. Okay. Likes now, yes. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed today's live stream. English version of NSE listed. We'll try. Sure. All right. Thank you so much. I hope everyone enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.